currently here in Bambrin Center, and look, I'm going to buy one of the Christmas village houses. It's only 8:30 in the morning and we are going to take a Maxx for our Christmas shopping. We've arrived here in HomeSense and take a Maxx, but we're not the first customer actually, but we're still very early. Take a video of you. And look at this Christmas ornaments. I think I'm going to change my angel now for my Christmas tree. It's so pretty. This is £12, so that's cheaper. Mine is this one, the bigger one. So pretty. I think I like this. And you can put candle inside, I guess. Yeah. This nativity is from the Philippines. Look. And these are the trolls. And the true pillows. It's so pretty. Look at the color. Look at the Christmas wreath.
We worked hard to get you back from shopping.
These are wicker baskets. This for my toilet, and I have one in here. I think I'll have this one. Soap. This one I bought the other day, and it's bath. Look at this. So pretty. I think I'm getting this one. True pillows all the way. And here, I like this one and this texture. Maybe this one.
What do you think?
This. I want to buy one of these. And now, $9.99 lang. Let's quickly unbox more of my Christmas shopping from Maxx. First of all, this true pillow, and I really like it because of the texture. This is $16.99, and it's gonna go here. Look at this. This is made in India. Look at the texture, and it's really thick. There's a tassel as well in every corners like that. So that's the brand. And that's $24.99. I love this. I really like this. This is the same brand as our curtain. And the back mat. And this is $5.99. Next one is this Moroccan lantern. How pretty is this? Look at the details. It's beautiful. And this is $19.99. Next is this Christmas tree. It comes with a light, but I need a battery. Set of drawer handles. This is made in India and this is $5.99. So yes, it's affordable. A leaf chopping board. $9.99, and it's pretty. Again, it's beautiful. Love it. A huge chopping board. And this is $9.99 as well. They have the same price. The cupcakes in Maxx are delicious, so we always buy some. Canada bread, Peniton. We love cakes. Land socks. This gold cutleries. How much is this? Okay, this is $24.99. And a new Dovey cover. so beautiful. I like the texture. That's why I bought it. This is $29.99. Look at the print. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. So that's my Christmas print that's gonna go here in our lounge. I had to buy more Christmas decor from Maxx and Welcome because I've seen some really nice pieces. First of all, this Christmas tree. It's made in India and it's $6.99 and this is from Maxx. It's really nice. I like it. There's another one, an angel. It's out of wood. And it's so pretty. It's $7.99 and again, I think this is made in the Philippines. Oh wow! Surprise, surprise! Oh, I like it. $7.99 and again, this is from the Philippines. Next is a render and it reminds me of Rovaniemi in Finland. Look at this. Isn't it cute? And this is $14.99. It's a little bit expensive. Next one is a candle holder from Wilco. So I have two. So it's a candle holder made of wood. This Christmas mug is from Maxx. It's nice and big. This is good for hot chocolate and it's only $3.99, so it's really affordable. I like the color. It's white and red inside. Beautiful. I love this. I had to buy a Christmas wrapper. Christmas pajamas from Primark. So one for Lance, one for Daddy, and I'm already wearing mine. And a Christmas ribbon. This is from Maxx and this is a Christmas mug. Look at that. And the handle. It's like a ribbon. But what I love most is that Christmas tree. A bath mat, and this is from Maxx. Christmas plates. So I only have 3 because there are only 3 of us. And this is my Christmas socks again. And I'm going to be using this right away. Wow, I like this. Look at that. So soft and cozy. I love this. And even the color. This one is from Etsy. Look at that. Happy Mail. I really like the wrappings. Let's open this. Oh my god. I'm excited. I waited for this for about 3 days. Let's check this out together. Dun, 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 dun. I love this. Look at that. Lance, Mommy, and Daddy. The second one is from eBay, and again, this is for Christmas decor. 1, 2, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, the Modais. This is gonna go in our entryway. So this is a present sack for Lance. And let's open this so we can see how it looks like. This is from Primark, this one. This is where I'm going to put Lance's present. Next are the Christmas pajamas that we are going to be wearing when we open the presents on Christmas Day. A Christmas sack. These are all mine. Red and blue. Next is this clear pillowcases cover. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? Next one is the black version, and look at this. And the last one is this. It is Merry Christmas. And this is only $3.99. This is also $3.99 and $3.99. So it's really affordable. This one is from John Lewis and it's actually the Nativity. And there's my first ever Nativity set from John Lewis. There's the 3 kings, that's Mama Mary, baby Jesus. This one is a Christmas print from Sclum.com and it came all the way from Spain. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And there's our Christmas hampers from Fortnum and Mason. This small one is a taste of Fortnum's hamper and it looks like this. I really like the basket and this is actually 60 pounds, so it's affordable. Let's open the second box. And this is Fortnum's Christmas Classic Hamper. Wow, Daddy, look! It's blue! And there's a Christmas card. Oh wow, look at this. So this is the Fortnum's classic hamper. Merry Christmas to the Moday family. Wow, love it. I'm currently here in Ikea and I'm doing my Christmas shopping. I need a straw pillow, a proper one, and it's $5.50. So maybe I need 3 of these. This is £7. Perhaps I want one of these as well.
What you doing?
Here in Ikea doing some Christmas shopping.
Okay, so what are you buying?
A lot.
Hi, Mommy.
Yes, hello.
So what you doing?
I'm doing my Christmas shopping.
Okay, so what is in there, Mommy?
Thank you. What are you buying?
So this is a drink for Daddy. It's a winter saga Swedish style festive drink. And we have the biscuits from Ikea. We have the chocolate ones and the oat ones.
I've just been in Ikea and I'm going to unbox some of my Christmas shopping. First of all is this tray, and this is £10. It's going to go in our center table. I have 3 placemats, £4 each, and I like it because it's rattan. We have this silver candle for Christmas lights. I think this is £5. It's a mulled wine, another candle. I have 2 medium candles, large candles, another festive drink, another candle, and it's red in color. I have batteries for my Christmas lights, meatballs, a wicker basket, 2 pillows, and this is 50 by 50, 40 by 30 frames, and in that frame will go this one, the Mona Lisa and Let's Travel the World. Another true pillow, but this is bigger, it's 40 by 65. Some chocolates for Lance, string for my Christmas stars, 2 lanterns. This will go in front of the TV. 2 biscuits, the other one is with chocolate and this one is plain oat. I have another rug. I like this one because it's nice and warm. This is a basket. I think this is only like £3.50, but you can have it like this in the kitchen. Just like that, and you can put like flowers or vegetable or fruits. And lastly, we have the 3 stars, and this is the reason why I went to Ikea, but I ended up buying so many stuff. That's my star. Wow, love this. I can actually reuse this, so I make sure that I keep the box. And here's my Ikea Christmas shopping. I have 2 Christmas lights, loads of candles, Christmas wine, another one here, loads of candles, a tray, placemat, 2 pillows, lanterns, stars, meatballs, frames, and some biscuits. And here's the box from Amazon. Oh dear, oh I love this. So these are my Christmas stockings. 1 pack contains 6 stockings, so 3 white and 3 red. And it's only £19 as well, so it's really affordable. So it looks like this. Oh, that's nice. How lovely. I like the design. So 3 for the family. So for this year, we're going to be using the white one, but I'll show you the red as well. Perhaps next year I'll be using the red. 19 pounds and 6 pieces. It's really affordable. Christmas stockings holder. So yeah, it looks like this. Let's open one. There we are. An additional deliveries for Christmas decor. I ordered a Christmas wreath and a garland from Banbury Center. This is it. Oh wow, it's so nice. Yes, love it. And these are the garlands that I'm going to be using in the stairs. That's that. I also ordered a Christmas wreath from Amazon that I can put outside by the main door. And this is the last one, table napkins from Homescapes online. So I ordered 2 colors. We have the olive green, which I'm going to be using for Christmas, and the white is going to be for the new year. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.